Hey guys, it's Shelly. Welcome back to Clean Green Being. If it's your first time here, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. If you don't mind, before you leave, hitting the subscribe button and the bell notification icon below, I would greatly appreciate it. And lastly, if you find the information in today's video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be doing another clean beauty brand review for you. And in today's video, I'm going to be featuring the brand Arbonne. Now, previously, I associated this brand with skincare because they have a very extensive skincare line. However, I thought it would be fun once I realized they carried makeup to go ahead and give that a try, because I really think it's important to expose you guys to new brands that I come across and maybe some that you might not be familiar with. So if you're interested in sticking around to hear my thoughts about Arbonne Cosmetics and also see how I created this look you see here, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so before we get into the footage of me creating this look using Arbonne products, if you are familiar with my channel, you know I always like to start off by giving you a little bit more information about the products and the brand. So if you aren't familiar, Arbonne, again, as mentioned, is an international skincare and beauty line. They've been around forever. And what I really loved about Arbonne whenever I was reading about them on their website is really kind of their commitment to transparency and continuous research in terms of their ingredients by quality and safety. I thought that was really amazing. According to the Arbonne website, they really believe in combining the best of science and pure botanical ingredients to deliver products with incredible results. All of their beauty and skincare is vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free, cruelty-free, clinically tested, and it is approved by dermatologists. So as mentioned previously, Arbonne is continuously looking into their ingredients and figuring out how they can improve them as time goes on through research and looking for quality and safety. They really believe in all of their products being based on 3 principles, which is pure, safe, and beneficial. So for pure, they develop each product with meaningful ingredients from nature. All of Arbonne's products are safe and non-toxic, and they are constantly, as mentioned, looking into research about the ingredients that they do use so that they can make mindful decisions about what goes into their products. And lastly, for beneficial, Arbonne believes in producing effective products that really have true benefit. They believe in the consumer being a self-advocate in terms of making the best decisions for their beauty and skincare, and that is kind of my core belief as well. Lastly, before we jump into the footage of me creating this look using Arbonne products, I want to mention that they do have a not allowed list in terms of their ingredients, meaning that they do not use over 2,000 identified potentially toxic ingredients in their products, and of those 2,000 ingredients, 1,300 are restricted and have been identified by the European Union as being harmful or toxic, so they do not include those in their products as well. So with that being said, and without any further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into the footage of me creating this almost full face look using Arbonne Cosmetics.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. Just watch me breaking. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just watch me breaking. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just take a hint, you got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me breaking. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear.
Okay, so that completes this almost full face look using Arbonne Cosmetics. I am actually pleasantly surprised with how this look turned out and how all of these products behaved. They really worked well together. I think my one descriptor for the powders and kind of everything in general is maybe soft. The powders were very sheer, especially the eyeshadows, but that isn't always a bad thing. Sometimes you just want a soft look. You don't want to deal with high, heavy pigments, because especially to a novice that is learning to apply makeup, a lot of pigment can go wrong really quick. So it was really easy to build this look. The bronzer was sheer and buildable, the blush sheer and buildable. I almost personally don't prefer highly pigmented blushes because they can be difficult to work with. The powders were really smooth, the highlighter super natural, just a really beautiful sheen. You could build it up to get a more intense highlight. This is the exact look that I wore to work the other day actually, and everything held up really nicely. The one product that I think is probably my favorite is actually the mascara. I am so hypercritical with mascaras, I can't even tell you, especially those that claim to be volumizing, and this one definitely holds up to its word. I will say you do get a more dramatic effect with 2 coats, and I kind of like a thicker look anyway, but it is a really nice mascara. It does hold a curl, which is saying a lot for my lashes. The foundation is really beautiful. It just has kind of a nice soft satin finish, not too matte, not too dewy. It does feel really lightweight, and by the end of a long workday, I didn't really notice any kind of major creasing or cracking or flaking or anything like that. In terms of the lipstick, I thought it was super comfortable. It is a really beautiful color. I would love to try more of their makeup now that I have a better feel for Arbonne Cosmetics as a whole. I also want to talk real quickly about the V-Lift Gel. I have been loving it. It is literally like a mini facelift. It kind of just like cinches everything and kind of pulls things to where they should be. It has a definite tightening effect, not uncomfortable or anything drastic like that, but there's just this little kind of oomph that it gives your face to looking fresh. I'm really interested in getting back into the Arbonne skincare game. They have a lot of great products. If you're interested, I highly suggest you check them out. Also, clean ingredients, right up my alley. I'm so happy that I kind of just went for it and tried the Arbonne Cosmetics. So with that being said, let me know in the comments down below if you've tried any of Arbonne Cosmetics. It's always my goal here on Clean Green Being to expose my viewers to new and just different clean cosmetic brands. There are a ton out there, but I feel like there are so many that a lot of people aren't aware of, myself included. I have been in the clean beauty game for a while, but I'm always discovering new brands to try. And with that being said, I just want to say thank you so much for taking the time to view today's video. I really appreciate your viewership. Clean Green Being has new uploads every Sunday and Wednesday, and every once in a while we like to throw up some bonus vids, so if you're interested in checking them out, if you haven't done so already, again, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon below so that you can be notified of all of our future uploads, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.